A mental health crisis in plain sight. It almost goes unnoticed until it all goes wrong. A random attack, a public breakdown.
EMS call volume.
Longtime New York paramedic and union VP Anthony Almagera sees it in his work every day.
Somebody's got to call 911 for the mental health episodes and urgency and crisis that's happening here.
The city's mayor has stepped up with an ambitious mental health plan. But one policy in particular has raised concerns.
This directive lays out an expedited step-by-step process for involuntarily transporting a person experiencing a mental health crisis to a hospital for evaluation.
That announcement in November sparked protests.
Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind is a publicity stunt and is not public safety.
Now mayors in California are also exploring a similar policy.
It was horrifying.
Arvind Suknanan was forced into hospital as a teenager. He says it's the wrong solution.
While it comes from a good place, I do think that police responding to someone in a mental health crisis is never a good thing.
Almagera says the policy is flawed. He's taken people to hospital before, only to have them back out on the street on the same day.
It's not even a Band-Aid. Band-Aids stop bleeding.
Homeless people.
Adams has pushed back on critics and clarified his new directive.
That is not the entire population. That's a small, targeted group. And it was inhumane to allow them to stay on the streets without proper care.
Suknanan and Almagera, both on the front lines, have this message.
You need places for these people to go while they start to put the pieces of their life back together. So if it's long-term inpatient psychiatric hospitals, we need to get those back.
We need recovery models that really restore the autonomy and dignity of people with serious mental illness.
On that, the mayor has pleaded for patience.
I didn't become mayor to climb a hill. I became mayor to climb a mountain. This is a mountain that I'm climbing.
A city watching and waiting for lasting change. Chris Reyes, CBC News, New York.